Now, this is section 8.6, household electricity. Okay, for household electricity, that means we need to connect the electrical appliances to our main circuit. And most of the electrical appliances are energy converter. Do you still remember energy converter? Let's revise the 7 forms of energy. Do you still remember you learned from Form 1? The first one is thermal energy. For example, human can produce heat, so we can produce thermal energy. Second one is night energy. When you can see all things because the light reflects on the object and then reflects to your eyes, so you can see it. So the sun can produce night energy. Lamp can produce night energy. The third one is potential energy. Potential energy is when you hold something higher and then fall it down, it will hit on the floor. Okay, and the higher you put the object, the higher the potential energy. The fourth one is kinetic energy. Kinetic means the movement. Okay, for example, when you run, you produce kinetic energy. Okay, you run. Okay, the movement. When you pull the car produces kinetic energy. The fifth one is chemical energy. I think we all know that when you eat something, the food contain chemical energy. Okay, when you eat the food, and then the chemical energy from your body will change to thermal energy. Okay, so human body is an energy converter. The sixth one is sound energy. Okay, sound energy. Now I'm producing sound energy. All people, if you speak, you produce sound energy. Okay, when you turn on the radio, okay, the radio will produce sound energy. Okay, lastly is the electrical energy. Why we put it to the last? Because today we are talking about the electrical appliances. So once when it connects with our main circuit, we provide electrical energy to make it worse. Okay, now let's look at this example. At a hair dryer. A hair dryer, of course, it is an energy converter. Of course, the electrical energy supplied to the hair dryer, and then what is produced? Okay, 1, the sound energy. 2, kinetic energy, it can move. 3rd, the heat, the thermal energy. Okay, so all those things we've learned is you can find that in Form 1 we learned the word energy converter. That means it changed some form of energy to another form of energy. Okay, so we are going to talk more about the electrical appliances. For these electrical appliances, it can produce heating effect. Is because the current, because of the electrical energy, it will make use of it and then produce the heat. Okay, for example, the toaster will make the bread become golden brown, okay, because of the heat. And in winter, we will use electric heater, okay, to make us warm. Every night when you have your rice, have your dinner, we need rice cooker. And lastly is electrical iron, okay. Your uniform can be very strict, okay, because of the electric iron can apply heat on it and then make it very strict. and flat. Okay, for another kinds of household appliances is it make use of the electrical energy and change to magnetic effect. Okay, once because of the magnetic effect, it will make the part move. So for the fan, it will move the brake to make the current, electric drill to fix the screw, and vacuum cleaner to generate the power to suck the dust into the vacuum cleaner. Washing machine, we all know that it turn around, okay, to make the clothes wash cleanly. And the second part is we want to connect the electrical appliances to our main socket. Okay. Then how can it connect? Okay. How can it connect to us, to our socket? First of all, I think you all know that our main voltage is 220 volt. Let's give you some of the example. For Japan, it is 110. Different country has different mains voltage. Okay. Okay, then how can it connect to our mains supply? Okay. For our electrical appliances, it will connect in series. That means connect one by one, okay, or connect in parallel. Okay, then let's take a look of this diagram first. First of all, if it is connect in series, that means I will connect 3 lamps to the main socket. Okay, that is bulb 1, bulb 2, bulb 3. If it is connect in series, just like this diagram, what do you think? Will it light up if one of the bulb is broken? I think you should know that when this is connected in only one way, if it is broken right here, the circuit is incomplete. So in this case, you will find the bulbs cannot work independently. Okay, if one is out of order, then the other cannot work properly. Okay, second case is what about if they are connect in parallel? Okay, in this case, you can find that the current goes from this way and this way, and thirdly, this way. And each of the pathway can complete separately. So, if in this case, here is broken, will 1 and 2, bulb 1 and 2 still work? I think you know the answer. It should be yes. Okay, so for these 3 bulbs, they can work independently. Okay, the third case. What about if I connect the first one and second one, connect in series? Okay, in series. And then the third one, I connect in parallel. What about this case? Can they work independently? Let's say if this is broken, the pathway, can you see? You cannot complete. Okay, even the third one, you cannot complete. So for all the electrical appliances, they should connect in parallel. Okay, connect in parallel. That means the the socket have to connect in parallel so that even one is connect wrongly, the other two can still work independently. Okay, so all sockets are connected in parallel in domestic circuit. Okay, now we are going to study the three pin pubs and the color coding of wires. Normally, you won't detach the part inside the plug, but we will study it because sometimes the wire inside may be broken, so you can fix it. Okay, now first of all, we have to learn from the socket. This is the earth hole. Okay, the left side is neutral hole and the right side is live hole. Okay, for these three hole, earth hole connects the earth wire. Okay, neutral connects the neutral wire. Live hole connects the live wire. Okay, let's look at the pub. For the pub, the pin should be opposite side. So the left side of the neutral, now when you face the pub to you, this side is neutral. This side is live. So look at this carefully. And for the earth pole, it is the longest pin. Okay, longest pin. That means if we want to make it safe, we should open the earth pin. Once the earth pin can make the earth hole open, the other two hole can connect. Okay, this is for the safety precaution. Okay, now we are going to see a video to let you know how to connect the wire in a three pin pub.
Here are the neutral wire, the earth wire, and the live wire of a cable. How can they be connected to a 3-pin plug? First, take out the fuse from the plug. Screw the earth wire onto the earth pin. Then screw the neutral wire onto the neutral pin. After the live wire has also been screwed on the live pin, put in the fuse again. Replace the cover. Now you have wired the plug.
Okay, then you can see how to fix the 3-pin pub now. But remember that the color of the wire for each pin is different. For the earth, it is yellow and green. Okay, for neutral, it is brown. Neutral is blue. And then for live, it is brown. Okay, and for live wire, it must be connected to a fuse. Okay, so that when the current is too high, the fuse will melt, and then the electric current will be stop supplying, and then it is a safety precaution. So remember the color. Okay, remember the color. So for the wire, for the electricity, it will supply through the live wire, okay, and then turn back from the neutral. Turn back from the neutral. Okay, we look at this hot pot, electrical appliances. You can find that when you applied the when you connect the electrical appliances to the plug, you can find the live hole, okay, supply the electrical current pass through it. Okay, actually the fuse is inside the plug, okay, and then this is heater. Okay, it can generate heat, the thermal energy, and then the water will boil, and the electric current will go to the main socket. So as a conclusion, remember that the color of each wire you have to remember. So try to find electric appliances, and then remove the screw, and then try to reconnect by yourself. Okay, so the electricity is supplied to our homes through the live wire and the neutral wire, and back to the neutral wire. The earth wire is for safety precaution. Okay, that is the end of this lesson. Please finish the Google form.